I had seen this Dolby Atmos thing in the Filmix theaters earlier, and I was really happy to see that something known as Dolby Atmos for music which is coming, because we used to experience Dolby Atmos in the theaters only. When I checked that out, I was really happy to see that wow, there is something. Earlier, 30-40 years back, it used to be mono only. We used to consume music in mono mode only. After that, it became stereo, so that one wider this thing we started enjoying, and now it's the Dolby Atmos for music. So what we used to have was only left and right, and now in Dolby Atmos you have left, right, plus your front and rear, your upper, this thing, everything. So your signal actually moves 360 degree, and this is how creatively you place the musical elements, and you really get a beautiful width. It's a different dimension of listening to the music. So I was really very excited about this software, and I started using this, and it's taking it ahead to some other level. Yeah, there is definitely a lot of scope to play with your audio. In case of the Dolby Atmos renderer or the Dolby Atmos for music environment, you have the set of speakers where you can actually experience that exactly the way you have panned your signal with the help of object and with the help of Dolby Music Panner. You can place the things and you can hear exactly the way they are placed in your mix. In case of the proper Dolby Atmos environment with the help of speakers in the studio, or in case of the binaural experience with the headphones. So this is a fantastic experience, not only for the listeners but for the engineers who are creatively involved in this process. It's really a great experience to see how your mix, how your song flourishes, and how it opens up, and how you can experience it in 360 degree. It's a great experience. I would request my fellow engineers to experience this, and of course the end users, the consumers, to experience the great music. I played a couple of songs to my fellow music composers, my friends who regularly work with us. We played it to few of our music composers and music producers. They were so happy that the things are still intact, they are still together, but still you can get that great experience and width of music and a different dimension of listening. When we do it very creatively and aesthetically, keeping the song in mind, the genre of music in mind, the tempo of song in mind, when you do that, it really a great experience. And yeah, we played it to the music composers and music producers, and they are really very happy, and they are suggesting that all their work should be done in this format. As old you get, when you get something as a gift, as a certificate, as an appreciation, whenever you get something like this, you are always happy and you are encouraged to do better work. This is exactly like that. It is for 10 tracks. Of course, I am continuing doing more tracks. I will claim for next one. I would suggest my engineers that just start working in this format. You can claim your plaque for 10 tracks, 50 tracks, 100, 500 and onwards, as many tracks you do. And as I said, it's like an encouragement. It really, like, it's a beautiful thing to show off that I have something like this. So the experience is great. On top of that, this reward. So we are really enjoying.